gosh, continuing on with this wonderful saga, we say, look for the pattern. Do you see it? I see it right there. It's a log 3x. That's a log 3x. The pattern. Just put an a on top of it. Look what you have. You now have 2a cubed minus a squared equals to 0. GCF, take out an a squared, you end up with 2a minus 1 equals to 0, and now you can solve this. Real easy. That means a squared equals to 0, 2a minus 1 equals to 0. Let's just solve this the way it is right now. Makes it even easier. Square root here, a equals to 0. Add 1 to both sides, divide by 2, a equals to a half. Now, do you remember what a was? I just got it right here. Look, there it is. Log 3x. Okay, that should be easy enough to figure out. So here we go. Log base 3 of x has to equal to 0. Using our log laws, we know that is 3 to the 0 equals to x. Well, that means x equals to 1. Oh, how pleasant. Look at that. Do the same thing to this one. Ready? This is log base 3, right, of x equals to a half. So 3 to the power of a half equals to x. So that means x equals to root 3. Huh. Now, verify that by looking at our original question. Okay. Can you put a 1 here? You betcha you can. You bet you can. Put the 1 there. You can do it. It's not a negative. It's not a 0. Then also put down, can you put down a root 3? You betcha you can. Verify this to make sure it actually works, though, right? Okay, so let's do that. Just try it in your calculator. Here, I substituted it in for you. Let's go. Log base 3 of 1. Okay. All right. Log base 3 and 1. It's going to give me a number. 0. Oh, okay. Log base 3 of 1 is going to give me 0. 0 cubed, 0 times 2, 0. So in fact, guess what? That's 0. So log base 3 of 1 again is going to give you 0. 0 squared is going to give you 0. 0 minus 0. Oh my goodness, that worked. Now let's try the root 3. So I'm going to do exactly the same thing. I'm going to go 2 log base 3 of root 3, right, minus log base 3 of root 3 squared. Don't forget, that's cubed, that's squared. Let's see if that gives you 0. Let's go to our calculator. I'm curious to see what log base 3 of root 3 is. So bring up the log base 3 of the square root of 3. Oh my goodness, take a look at that. Punch it, enter. I got 0.5. Okay, go back to here. That means that this is 2 times 0.5 cubed minus 0.5 squared. Oh my goodness, I hope that gives us what we need here. Okay, so let's go back to the calculator. 2 times 0.5 cubed, right? Right. Minus 0.5 squared, minus 0.5 squared. Enter, gives us 0. Both of these work. Ah, it's just wonderful to see something like that. What a great question.